You can find the slope of a line if you're given its equation. Let's take an example. We have the equation of this line, y equals 3x minus 2, and we want to find its slope. So we can plug in some points and get some points from this equation. For example, if x is 0, we plug 0 in, we get y is going to be 3 times 0 minus 2. That's going to be 0 minus 2, so y is going to be negative 2 if x is 0. So that gives me the point 0, negative 2. And if x is 1, if I pick x equal 1, we'll have y equals 3 times 1 minus 2. 3 times 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So we have another point. Another point is 1, 1. So we have 2 points. We want to find the slope between these 2 points. Well, our formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We plug in our y2s and y1s and x2s and x1. Let's call this x1 y1 and x2 y2. And so we take the difference here, y2 minus y1, so that's 1 minus 2 divided by 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0. And so that's going to give me 3 over 1, which is 3. So here's my slope, 3. The slope of this line is 3. And notice actually when we look at our equation that actually this is a 3 here. And we'll find that this is always the case when you have it in this form, that this number in front of x will be the slope. So the slope of this line is 3. Thus, if we have an equation in the form y equals mx plus b, that coefficient on x, that number in front of x, will always be the value of the slope. B is the vertical intercept. We'll talk about that shortly.